Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to do the VS Code setup in your system. To do that, we will see what all the steps we need to follow. First step is we need to install the VS Code in our system, and then we will create a project. And after creating a project in VS Code, we will connect that VS Code with our Salesforce org. And lastly, we will retrieve whatever the required component we need in the VS Code from our org. So let's see the first step. So here you need to install the VS Code. If you click on this link, it will redirect you to this link. Here you can install if you have a window or if you have a Mac, you can install clicking on this. And once you will install that, after that you need to install the Java. You can install from directly from Google also, but I have provided this link. You can use that link as well. And once you will install the VS Code, just go to the VS Code. Here if you see we have an extension. So here you need to search the Salesforce CLI. So this extension you need to install. I already installed it. So you need to install this one as well as Salesforce extension pack. These two you need to install. So once these two will done, then again we need to install with this link Salesforce CLI app in our system, in our local basically. So once Salesforce CLI will install, you need to make sure that all the path, whatever we have installed, VS Code, Java, and this CLI, these all are added in our environment variable path. So for that, you can just click on this advanced system setting by clicking here. If you click on that, in the advanced tab, in the environment variable, you need to click here and you need to add all the path. So that's it. So once you are done with that, so you are good to create SFDC project in our VS Code. So now let's go to the VS Code. Here if you see, as of now there is no folder because we have not created a project. So if you do the Control Shift P and click on this create project with manifest, yeah, it is taking time as because all the extensions are loading. So if first time it will not load, then you can again click on that. Here you can see it is activating the extension, so that's why it is taking that time. Yeah, then you need to select a standard, and here you need to provide a project name, demo. And now you need to select any folder where you want to store your project. So once you click on the create project, it will create a project. So if you see here, the project got created, and inside this demo, I have all this folder got created. So application, aura, class, flexi page layout, LWC. So these all are the standard component name. So if you see the package XML, these all are there. So whatever it is there in the package XML, these all folder got created. So now, as we created the project, now we need to authorize our org with this VS Code. So for that, you need to do Control Shift P and then SFDX. The project creation is done, so we will do the authorization. So if you see here, it all the SFDX tab will come. So you need to click the authorize and org. Here you need to select, as I am working in the testing playground, so I'll select the login production one, and then you need to enter any ls. Here this is not that much mandatory, you can add any name. So it will redirect you to the login page. Here you need to log in with your credential. So once you logged in with that, yeah. So here it will show that authorization successfully. Here if you see authorize and org ran successfully. So now we are connected with the orgs. Here you can see the now org name is coming, whatever we have given test, or you can give any name if you want. But still if you see here in the component folder, nothing is there. So now we need to retrieve whatever the component we have in our org to VS Code. So in the terminal, here also you can do right click on this package XML and retrieve source in. So this will retrieve whatever the component you want. This will fetch all the component whatever we have in the package XML. You can do that. It will take time, but for now I'll show you how to just retrieve the LWC component. Yeah, if you see here retrieving started, so it will take time. Like depend on the how much component you have in your system. So I don't have much component. So if you see it got retrieved. So if I expand this LWC, now I have all the component which I have created for my development purpose. So if you see these all are the components. So you can start working on your LWC, and if you can start working on the LWC, and you can again deploy and all. The second part, like how to do the push and pull in the Git, I'll come up with the second part as soon as possible. Thank you. So you saw how we have retrieved the LWC component using this command in the terminal. So suppose now you are going to make any changes in the component and you want to deploy that. So suppose I will make any changes here, LWC, wanted to save it. And if you want to click on this deploy source to org, so it will deploy the recent changes to your org. Yeah, that's it. So, and I just retrieved the LWC component. So if you want to retrieve entire file, you need to do right click on this package XML and then click on this SFDX retrieve source in manifest from org. This will take time, so that's why I have not shown. Meanwhile, you can do that one. And I will share this document with you, which I have shown you in the video. Hope this will help you guys to set up your VS Code in your system. If any doubt or anything, let me know in the comment section. And I'll come up with the second part where we will show the Git operations, how we will do push, pull, everything we will show. So that part will come later. Thank you so much for now.